Hey there, welcome to today's video on unlocking the secret to effortless weight loss, the power of meal planning. Losing weight is a challenging task for many of us, but did you know that meal planning can be a game changer? In this video, we're going to discuss the benefits of meal planning, how it can enhance your weight loss journey, and some tips to get started. Let's start by discussing the importance of meal planning. When we plan our meals in advance, we have a clear understanding of what we're going to eat and when. This eliminates the need to make impulsive food choices, which often lead to unhealthy eating habits. One of the biggest advantages of meal planning is that it helps to eliminate unhealthy food options from your diet. By planning your meals in advance, you can ensure that you're consuming a balanced diet that includes all the essential nutrients your body needs to function correctly. Meal planning also saves time and money. With a little bit of planning, you can prepare your meals in advance, which means you won't have to spend as much time cooking during the week. This can also help to reduce the temptation to order takeout or eat out, which can save you money in the long run. Another benefit of meal planning is that it can help to reduce food waste. When we plan our meals in advance, we can purchase only the ingredients we need and use them efficiently, reducing the amount of food that goes to waste. Now, let's discuss how meal planning can enhance your weight loss journey. By planning your meals in advance, you can ensure that you're consuming the right amount of calories to meet your weight loss goals. This can also help to prevent overeating and mindless snacking, which can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Meal planning can also help to keep you on track with your weight loss journey. When you have a plan in place, you're less likely to deviate from it, which means you're more likely to achieve your weight loss goals. To get started with meal planning, begin by setting aside some time each week to plan your meals. Choose healthy recipes that you enjoy and make a shopping list of the ingredients you'll need. Consider prepping your meals in advance to save time during the week. In conclusion, meal planning is a powerful tool that can help you to achieve your weight loss goals effortlessly. By planning your meals in advance, you can eliminate unhealthy food options, save time and money, reduce food waste, and stay on track with your weight loss journey. So, start meal planning today and unlock the secret to effortless weight loss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.